Ito yung unit guys. Ayan. Sobrang premium niya on hand. Titanium frame grade 2. Glass front at glass back. Parehong Corning Gorilla Armor. More durable and visual experience sa Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra natin. Ayan, tanggalin na natin yung protective film. Ayan. Yung Gorilla Glass Armor guys, siya yung pinaka toughest, most scratch resistant and most optically advanced Gorilla Glass up to now. Pag tumatama yung light sa screen niya, nagre-reflect siya as rainbow. Ang display type pala niya guys is Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x 120Hz HDR10+, 6.8 inches, 1440 by 3120 pixels. Always on display. Check na natin yung unit guys. On na natin. Nahihirapan pa akong